Shubor nagaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Ka People's Democratic Front ka way nagiseng ka badon lang hapok Sorkar Meecl Democratic Alliance kalapan pau ka jingsanya teli ha ka Jingtohkit Menteri Rangba ukonrat ke sangma bat kalaong ba amdon gano-gano ka kenrum kanram hapok Sorkar sunrap Menteri ke Sorkar MDA ubadairu Presiden ka PDF uba bantedor lengdo ulaong ba amdon gano-gano ka jingkenrum kanram hapok Sorkar ladadon gano-gano kamat kabadai ban pensngau lajuya keren bet markmat kum kegenhun harangkat Menteri Rangba. Ba bantedor ulo ongru ba ka PDF kahun yak e kabak Sorkar kalasiam yakarai mandon da ka Jingtohkit ka balaj lot halor ki kenrum kanram hapo ka Meecl Energy Corporation Limited ni Meecl. Halor ka jingwan Menteri ke Sorkar pedeng Amit Shah uba bantedor ulo ong ba ka PDF kan saya kendu halor kani khamtam man pensngau ya kiman ki badai ban pensngau syak Sorkar India.
That is a prerogative of a Chief Minister to decide. Because as a coalition partner, if anything, we used to discuss directly with Chief Minister, if any problem. Then and there we went and discussed with him. So many issues, so many things also we have been discussed. Even this issue also we already been discussed with CM. But it's up to the CM. We are the part of the parcel of this coalition we are the coalition partner of this MDA government. So whatever it's thing is not going well, directly when I stated we went and discussed with Honorable CM. If it's not materialized, that is different. But whatever we said, he listened. So that's why we are just waiting. 100%. That will take up tomorrow in the CAC meeting with all our party worker, party leader. Will decide that tomorrow, but yes, it's very much, this is a very important issue to discuss in the CAC meeting. That I don't have to comment anything, but wait till the Honorable Home Minister, Union Minister Meecl message along, then we'll see what we, because it depends on the discussion with him along with the Cabinet Minister, with the different NGO, different leaders. I think he'll be invited, that's why. Some of the very important issue to raise in front of him for the interest of the people of the state. Everything will be decided tomorrow.